Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. In the olden days, way back, whenever there's consistent sad news, consistent death, they will tell you the gods are angry, and they will tell you go and appease the gods, or they will tell you something sinister is happening, something is not right, and you need to go and appease both the people and the land and cleanse the land for whatever reasons that is making sad things to come out of it. But before we go to the newspaper to find out what is going on in Ebonyi state and what the governor has got to say about it, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Well, the governor of Ebonyi state, engineer Dav Umahi, has declared Wednesday, June 23rd, as public holiday in honor of the departed former members of the State Executive Council. The affected former ESCO members are Engineer Fidelis Nweze, former Commissioner for Infrastructure for Concession, and Engineer Ucheoka, former Commissioner for Housing. The governor, who expressed shock over the loss of the two members of the State Executive Council in a space of 1 month, described the death of Engineer Fidelis Nweze as shocking. I quote him: "It is so shocking and unbelievable that to announce the death of our Commissioner for Infrastructure, Engineer Kings Fidelis Nweze, who died this morning at about 9:50 a.m. at Turkish Hospital, Abuja. Nweze was traveling to Enugu on Saturday at about 7 p.m. with his orderly and driver within Obi Nago in Enugu State. They rammed into a stationary truck. He was on a seatbelt. The driver was conscious. They were all conscious. The orderly, who had a very slight injury, was treated and discharged. The driver had a slight injury and was also treated and also discharged too. Kings had an injury on his stomach and his neck too, and he was taken to Niger Foundation. I got to know about it on Sunday, and I insisted they should move him to Turkish Hospital since there was no X-ray or any form of medical examination. So they moved him to Turkish Hospital. I directed my physician to move to Abuja, but he could not get a flight, and on Sunday I sent a very good doctor because I could not understand the grammar of the doctors. They did an examination and discovered that the seatbelt had ruptured his intestine. So they did a very successful operation and wanted to move him to the ward. We said no, put him in an intensive care unit for the next 3 days so that everything will be perfected. So they did that. This morning when I called about 8 o'clock, they said he had crisis. So I was asked. So we asked the doctor Onyi to get back while my physician SSA Medical Services left Abuja in the morning. So about 9:50, Engineer Nweze gave up. I am so sad. A month ago we lost Engineer Uche, and today again we have lost Engineer Nweze. Those who are the pillars of this administration, dawn to dusk. So sad. I feel so empty. To me, it's like a dream. I see my younger brother, my son, my friend, my destiny helper would just sleep and come back. We did everything possible we could do. By the powers of the governor of the state, I declare the whole of tomorrow public holiday. No market shall open in honor of Nweze and Uche. No work in all of the offices. No work in any of the sites in the state and our leasing offices in Abuja and Lagos. Governor Umahi, while acknowledging the invaluable contributions of the fallen duo to the development of the state, described the former Commissioner for Infrastructure for Concession, Engineer Fidelis Nweze, as irreplaceable. Nweze cannot be replaced. I pity him so much. He never had a single day rest. I pity him so much. We have been on this together. First as a Commissioner for Works and Commissioner for Infrastructure. Nweze cannot be replaced. He directed the closure of government offices and markets, while all flags are to fly at half-mast on Wednesday, June 23, 2021, across the state in honor of the departed government officials. The governor also directed all government officials to proceed on fasting to seek the face of God in the affairs of the state, while Khan, that's Christian Association of Nigeria is charged to organize prayers to break the fast by 4 p.m. at Christian Communal Center every day till Saturday. We are going to be mourning from tomorrow to the end of Saturday. All flags in Ebonyi State will fly low in all government promises, both within Ebonyi and outside Ebonyi. All government officials, Christian Association of Nigeria, Ebonyi State Chapter, devout minded pastors, stakeholders will be praying together to break our fast every day by 4 p.m. at Economia Center. The governor letter led members of the State Government Council on intercessory prayer for the peaceful repose of the souls of the former ESCO members and other sundry prayer points. This is really sad moment for Ebonyi State, but is it really not? I think it's all Nigerians. It's actually sad moments for Nigerians, both in the north, in the east, in the southeast, and the southwest, and the south generally, in the whole of Nigeria. Every day we keep hearing the news of one person is down, fallen heroes. It's not just them. This the reason why they're giving. Yes, 1 minute silence for those who have died. Honestly, I do have I pity the families and I honor the families of the departed. But the truth is, every life matters. That's how painful it is. For every young man that is down there, that one way or the other, the insecurity level in Nigeria goes down. That is how painful the parents feel. That's how painful the relative feel. Everybody have a destiny and a role to play. So when they are cut short, it's a painful exercise. So if you can look at this, not just in the aspect of, okay, they had an accident and the station, you can imagine stationary car was an accidented situation. Imagine if our roads were properly were all done and parking lot allocated. You could make good money from parking lots, instead of parking your cars randomly on the road. You could actually have parking lot. Any cars park randomly on the road, throw it away. Make money, tax it. But the question is, after taxation, will there be proper remittance, proper accountability of those taxation? After taxing the Nigerians, are they using that taxes to go make good roads, give security, provide pipe-borne water, good housing, provide jobs, infrastructure? The answer is no. So sometimes when you begin to give good ideas to the government, and at the end of the day, this money is diluted, and the common man does not enjoy the benefits of governance, then it doesn't make any sense. Look at how you can imagine now. Governor David Umahi understands the pain of losing a loved one. That is how every day when we have the issues of insecurity, that's how parents feel when the lives of their youth are cut short. All hands need to be on that. There are too many too many in Nigeria. We need to begin to look inwards and see how we can make this country grow together. That's what we're going to wrap it up. Really a sad moment for the government of Ebonyi State. But then, are we all not mourning? We all are, one way or the other. One way or the other, we have felt the pains and the terrible situations of insecurity, the terrible infrastructural facilities. One way or the other, we are all feeling it, and we are actually mourning also with the Ebonyi people.